Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the MOS token. Name of the token is MOS, ticker symbol is also MOS. Now this is a very popular token on the Solana blockchain. Huge market cap, huge 24-hour trading volume. Today they're up 75.9%. And it was just announced that they just got a brand new central exchange listing as well, starting today, January 2nd. We're going to go over the information on the MOS token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that. Just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So it was just announced today that this token will be listed January 2nd at 10 a.m. UTC time, which has already passed, on a central exchange called XT Exchange or XT.com. So if you're looking to get this token here, and you don't have an XT account, you could download XT from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store, or open an account on your PC at xt.com. You would then fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search MOS, and then simply just buy the token. So that is one way to get this token, is a central exchange like XT. Another way to get this token would be off a decentralized exchange like Raydium. Now, according to DEX Screener, there is a liquidity pool of $1.1 million in Raydium, and 99.45% of that total liquidity is locked and burned. So that's great to see that. So if you wanted to get the token, first of all, you would need a wallet that could store Solana tokens. So you could use a Soulflare wallet, you could use a Trust wallet, MetaMask wallet, Phantom wallet. Any one of those wallets would do, and you could download a wallet from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store, or get a Chrome extension on your PC. You would then fund that wallet with Sol. Now, you can fund your wallet with Sol from a central exchange, and there is a list of central exchange links that you could use down there in the description box. So you'd fund your wallet with Sol, you'd go into the dApps, you would find Raydium, and then using the contract address that you could find on their official webpage, moscoin.xyz, or you could find it right there on their Twitter. Real easy to find it right there. That's why I put their Twitter in the corner of the screen. So you could also find the webpage, the Telegram. It is at Real Moscoin on X. Almost 6,000 followers. You can see the contract address ends in pump there because this token was created on pump.fun. You would trade your Sol for the Moscoin using that contract address. Pretty straightforward there. Now, you can find this token on Bird Eye, DEX Tools, DEX Screener, SoulScan. You can find it all over the place. They have a web page that has tons of links, even a document section on there. So welcome to MOS AI. Now the vision of MOS AI is to achieve unconditional basic agent income, UBAI, and build a future where technology equitably serves everyone, breaking the cycle of exploitation and creating a truly decentralized and fair digital society. The significant leaps and rise of artificial intelligence make it possible to create value in a decentralized model. In this model, people benefit from AI running on machines rather than extracting value from others. A truly code-based cryptographic world is emerging where all machines are created for the benefit and well-being of humanity. In such a cryptographic world, there may be still hierarchies among AI agents, but human exploitation is eliminated, as the agents themselves may possess some form of autonomy. Now, the ultimate purpose of meaning of artificial intelligence is to serve humanity as encoded in the blockchain. So, technically, MOS AI is the ultimate AGI system built from the ground up through the emergence of thousands of decentralized aspects of intelligence. Each aspect functions as an independent agent within a self-sustaining AI pod, rather than existing as a monolithic superintelligence. MOS AI operates as a network of interconnected agents. The fundamental principle driving this system is straightforward: casual aspect computing. Now, the MOS token serves as the settlement cryptocurrency of foundational infrastructure we are building to enable MOS AI to evolve and autonomously generate itself. This infrastructure includes, but not limited to, the DO operator, crypto tokenomics, decentralized computing protocols, minimal trust assumptions, chat and act LLMs, large language models, embodied humanoid interface agents, casual aspect-oriented programming technology, memology, and more. So they have the casual machine aspect framework. An aspect itself, the aspect itself represents a macro-level entity. It emerges from the interactions of foundational objects or lower level aspects, and this hierarchical structure ensures that the framework inherently supports casual emergence and dynamic optimization. Below, on their document section, there is a detailed aspect and derived from micro-level entities and how they evolve into macro-level configurations through interventions and evaluations. And you could check that out on their document section if you like. Now, within the MOSmology Autonomous Agent Network, they have MOS AI Mobile. They have an actual link where you could download that. They have the MOS AI Pod, which is the zero-code personal agent framework, all in one agent pod. They have the MOS AI Node and the Hyper AGI Network, Hyperdust Foundation, DeSci, the whole ecosystem. They go over, the AI meme coin, autonomous AI investment fund, platform, agent user interface, DD Llama, all sorts of stuff, all in their document section that you could check out. If you want to follow the Telegram at Real Moss Coin, they have over 3,000 members. Almost 500 of them are online to talk to if you want to. This token has a market cap of $35.7 million. And just today, they have a 24-hour trading volume of $13.7 million. So needless to say, this is a very popular token. So go check this token out. Let me know in the comments down there, what do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.